Fasten your seatbelts because this is going to be a wild ride. We're unleashing the untamed power of extreme wood processing. Witness machines pushed to their breaking point, chainsaws dancing on the edge of chaos, and firewood production at breakneck speed. Welcome to the Untamed. Okay, efficiency lovers, listen up. The Balfour Continental 750 is all about getting the job done fast. That 2.5-meter log deck and auto roller feed? Smooth and quick operation right there. Handling logs up to 27 inches wide is no joke, and that adjustable hydraulic conveyor makes material handling a breeze. The elevated platform isn't just for show. It's smart ergonomics for real control. Yeah, it's a serious investment at over $100,000, but for professionals. This machine pays for itself in time saved and output boosted. Tired of those massive space-hogging machines? The Spalt Fix K415 is here to change the game. This thing is compact, but don't let the size fool you. We're talking serious power, a 15-ton splitting force. It can crank out 4, 6, 8, even 12 pieces of firewood per cycle. Hydraulic feed? Check. Automatic conveyor? Check. Mobile option? You got it. If you're running a small to medium operation and want pro-level output without the bulk, this is your answer. Seriously impressive piece of kit. Imagine powering through massive logs up to 20 inches thick and 20 feet long, all with one machine. EcoSogen Twin 400. Dual 16-inch blades made with premium Swedish steel and Sandvik teeth? Yeah, it's got that. Hydraulic lifting and clamping mean no more wrestling with heavy timber. Plus, laser guides and easy controls keep you on point. Mobile or fixed, this single operator powerhouse boosts your output big time. Okay, folks, buckle up because this is hilarious and genius at the same time. A homemade saw attachment for a mini excavator? This guy's playing in a whole different league. The efficiency is no joke. This thing's a beast. And that tiny flag? Seriously, is that a lunchbox flag? It totally is. This dude's got a sense of humor, and we are here for it. Ever wondered how massive firewood operations run? Prepare to be amazed. City Firewood cranks out over 50,000 cubic meters of firewood annually. From raw logs to ready-to-burn perfection, they handle it all in-house. Check out the beastly machines in action. Hakapilka, Petzolato, Multitech, Senebogen, and more. They're not just processing wood. They're powering homes sustainably, using timber from renewable forests. See the future of firewood. Efficient, eco-friendly, and seriously impressive.
Bob.
Dude, check out this insane trucking video. One logging truck pulling another up a crazy steep hill. Unbelievable. The driver is a total pro, and the power of that truck is unreal. If you love trucks, you have to see this. Seriously impressive stuff. Makes you want to go out and drive something big and powerful, right? I'm seriously blown away by the people who do this job. It's crazy dangerous, but also super admirable. Let's get straight to the point. This poplar is huge, 4.3-foot diameter. That's a job, not just a tree. You need serious skills to handle something this size. No fancy talk, just pure lumberjack expertise. These guys know what they're doing. They've seen it all, and they're ready for this challenge. Watch how it's done. No drama, just efficient and effective tree felling at its finest. This is professional work, plain and simple. Meet the West Bundelsega, the firewood processing game changer. This German-engineered machine boosts efficiency and safety big time. Hook it up to your front loader or tractor, and let the hydraulics, minimum 50 liters per minute flow, power precise cuts up to 20 inches long from wood up to 43 inches. Weighing around 1,450 pounds, it's automated, meaning safer operation and zero emissions when loading wood. Get clean, consistent cuts every time with its bandsaw blade. Originally priced around $16,500 US. Log splitting just got a whole lot easier and faster. Check out the Auger Torque Log Splitter. This great attachment works with your excavator or skid steer to make quick work of any log pile. Imagine powering through logs with speed and ease you won't believe. Get the job done faster and with less effort. It's super efficient and really simple to use. Check out the Kessler C1060 wood chipper. It's a game changer. Made by Kessler in Finland, this beast is built to chew through wood like nothing else. We're talking serious industrial power here, folks. Big timber, branches, you name it, the C1060 eats it up. It's got hydraulics for days, a massive infeed, and you can mount it on a truck or trailer. If you're in forestry or energy wood, this machine is your new best friend. Wow, listen to that turbo scream. Love it. how a professional does it. Who knew milling logs could be this easy? This chainsaw attachment is ridiculously simple, but seriously effective. It's kinda genius. Slap your chainsaw on this thing, and bam, log milling made easy. And get this, refueling is even simple. If you're into DIY and want to make log milling less of a headache, this frame is your new best friend. Seriously, get one. You'll thank us later. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. Warning: watching the Spalt Fast Wood Splitter might make your old wood splitting methods feel really slow. This machine turns 27-inch logs into firewood so fast, it's almost comical. You might actually start enjoying making firewood with this beast. Seriously, it's ridiculously efficient. If you blink, you might miss it turning a log into perfect firewood. Say goodbye to tedious firewood wrapping. The FWW-16 Firewood Wrapper is a game changer. This beast wraps a bundle in just 12 to 13 seconds. Seriously fast. Imagine the time you'll save. Built tough with a 1/3 horsepower motor and an oil bath gearbox, it's made to last. And get this, starting at just $2,800. That's incredible value for this level of performance.